How do maintenance agreements reduce seasonality? Maintenance agreements reduce seasonality by locking in scheduled visits all year long. So instead of a contractor only getting busy during one season, they have steady work spread across spring, summer, fall, and winter, which smooths out income and keeps customers cared for no matter the month. Think about it like this. A lot of home service businesses, like heating and cooling companies, plumbers, or lawn care folks, get super busy for a few months and then almost dead quiet the rest of the year. That up and down pattern makes it hard to keep good workers around and hard to plan bills. A maintenance agreement is kind of like a subscription, where the customer pays a set amount and the contractor promises to show up at certain times, like checking the furnace in the fall before winter hits, or checking the air conditioner in the spring before summer heat arrives. Here is something most people do not know. Many contractors actually price these agreements very low, sometimes barely covering their cost, because the real money comes from catching small problems early during those visits, before they turn into expensive breakdowns. This means the agreement itself fills up their slow months with guaranteed work, while the repairs they find keep their profits steady too. One big mistake homeowners make is thinking a maintenance agreement is just a sales trick with no real value, when really it often saves money by catching issues early. So the tip there is to actually read what is included and ask what problems past visits have caught for other customers. Another mistake contractors make is signing up lots of people for these plans but still scheduling all the visits close together, which does not actually fix the seasonal swings, so the fix is spreading appointments evenly across the whole calendar. A lot of folks also assume these plans are only for big systems like furnaces, but plenty of smaller services like gutter cleaning or pest control use the same idea to keep steady work coming in. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts reach out and send you their estimates.